All right, so I'm about to do a pull request. I actually already did a pull request, and I was writing it out and looked through the changes and realized I'd accidentally deleted a line that we needed. So that was a perfect opportunity to use the interactive rebase to change my commits because I had to go back in and add the line, and then I had a whole new commit that was just for that one line, which was unnecessary. I actually did the whole thing and made it work, and then realized that would have been the perfect opportunity to show how to do that. So now I'm going back and I added this line, which is just a comment that I want to remove. And I've already pushed it up to the base. So now I'm going to remove it, and I'm going to do a new commit. Whoops. I had to remove a comment. Okay, so, and oh, yeah. And now, right. So now let's see, git status. We have all this stuff. So we're gonna rebase dash I for interactive. The tricky thing is, okay, so git rebase dash I. The tricky part is here. So from head, we want to do, I believe it's going to be 3 commits because I already pushed 1. Yeah. So, and now, so I have the original. This is the only one I want. This feature. This one I just added that comment, and this one I removed the comment. So these obviously we don't. No one needs to be looking at that. So the tricky part is we're in Vim. So if you hit the arrows, they work to move around. But if you go to type, like, things aren't what you can't add. So J moves down, K moves up, H is left, L is right. And so to get out of this mode, you can hit I, and you'll see down here it's in insert mode. To get back, you can hit escape, brings you to normal mode. And this is, there's all sorts of stuff you can do to, like double D will remove a line, U will add a line. Oops. Okay, well, theoretically. Anyways, it's all Vim, so you can look up all the commands in Vim. What we want to do is I'm gonna hit X and squash these. So insert, I hit I, add squash, and then go back to normal, XXX, I for insert. We're gonna squash this as well. And then when you hit enter, actually nothing's, oops. What we got to do is go back to this and then hit shift, it's colon, and then with save quit. I don't know what W means. That's how I'm remembering it. With save quit, and that will bring you to this combination message where you have to you're basically just editing the commit message. So, and it tells you all that. This is the first commit. This is the one we want, basically. Here's the second one. I'm gonna go down and just delete it. And here's the third one, delete it. And so now it even says here, enter your commit messages. Anything with this is ignored, just a comment. So now we're back to our normal one. So the same as before, shift colon, with save quit. And now we should have just the one commit. And it's telling you to pull, but you got to ignore that. You just have to git push and force. You have to force push because you changed the history. And now, instead of seeing all those weird commits, when you go to the pull request, you should just see the one commit. Interactive rebase, yay!